Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another podcast here. So I was like, let me go ahead and do my podcast. Mm, excuse me. You already know how it goes. I'm goofy. You already know. So I'm basically going to be dropping like podcasts on a Wednesday and a Friday. So that's the days you can definitely catch brand new podcasts on Spotify, The Truth Matters Podcast. Of course, I'm on Instagram, The Truth Matters Podcast, YouTube, The Truth Matters Podcast as well. Yes. So definitely catch new episodes Wednesday and Friday as of right now. What I'm going to be doing, because of course you never want to overload yourself when it comes to podcasts, especially like if you're going to do a video with it, you're talking, you got to make sure you edit this and that, get your flyer ready, all thumbnail ready, all the different type of stuff. So yeah. So of course I also write down what I'm going to be talking about as well too. So something that comes to mind or something that I see or I really just want to talk about, then I'm actually going to write it down as well too. Going to definitely be talking about a couple more things as time goes on and stuff like that as well. So you already know my name is Jasmine. I reside in Mississippi. Of course, 35 years old, have a 17-year-old son, work as a distribution specialist, my 9 to 5 job, Monday through Friday. Of course, and definitely online as well, part time, pushing myself out there, so on and so forth. I also basically created. Yes, I created a drop shipping plus print on demand mini course based off of my knowledge and my experience as well too. Like I told you in a previous video, a previous podcast, rather say, I have made money online, help people get involved in opportunities as well too. So I created this basically for anyone, but more so for beginners because a lot of people that want to learn drop shipping don't know much about drop shipping, what it basically is, or anything like that, and want to learn about print on demand. People want to do print on demand and may not have money, but hey, get in the course, you can definitely check it out. I'm telling you. And it's only, guess what? $25. It's a mini course. Very affordable. Very affordable. One time purchase basically for the course itself. That's it. One time purchase. So yeah, I just wanted to drop there. You may see some links below on Spotify and or on YouTube as well too. So you can definitely check out that as well. So let's get into it real quick, making it all fun and whatnot and everything. So you definitely got to make your podcast fun, laid back, whatever the case may be. So on this episode here, I want to talk about find your passion. I know I talked about something previous about finding something that you love, but basically just talking about find your passion, especially when it comes to this online marketing world itself. Find something that you truly enjoy doing. Find something that you can put your all into. Like if you like, creating ebooks and you find that to be your thing, create those ebooks. Make an income off of those ebooks and the knowledge that you put inside those ebooks. If you are good at creating websites, do that. If you're good at basically creating, videos, editing, creating videos and also editing the videos as well too, do that. That's a passion. If you are good at definitely creating courses, like, hey, I just did, of course. I'm pretty much, I learn something every day. I shock myself sometimes as well too on what I'm capable of actually doing. Everybody has some type of form of talent or something. I don't care if you know how to crochet, do hair, whatever the case may be, do nails, do makeup. You got some type of, talent within you. You have to find that passion. Find something that you truly want to basically do. Find something that you truly want to basically do. Because at the end of the day, that can be something that's totally lucrative just for you and your family. Don't let up. Don't let up. Find something that you truly want to do. I know it's a bunch of opportunities out here, especially online and different things like that as well too. We can't be jumping at every single opportunity that somebody, inbox us about or whatever the case may be and this and that. If you know that that's not for you just then or right now, mm-mm, don't do it. Don't do it. It's the shiny object, the shiny object syndrome. Don't do it. Don't be jumping at everything. Like people say, you got 7 streams of income, but do you have 7 streams of income? You might have 7 opportunities of doing something, but are you basically earning money from all 7 of those income streams? Just because you got multiple income streams, are you earning money from all of those income streams? Because most people may not be earning like that. You may be earning from this particular one, but not earning from that, and you got to pay that monthly fee and this and that and so on and so forth. You got to find something that you're truly going to see, get tongue twisted, that you're truly going to enjoy doing. Y'all know I get tongue twisted. Find something that you're truly going to enjoy doing, okay? Find something that's going to be like, you know what? This is going to be my focus. This is what I'm going to do. This is, going to help me and my family, so on and so forth. Like, just do it. Just basically do it. Simple as that. Just do it. Find you something. Like I said, there's so many opportunities out here. So many opportunities. But you got to find something that's going to truly work for you. You got to find something that's going to be in your budget. Because most opportunities, especially like with companies and stuff like that, most of them are basically a monthly fee. You got some of them basically, maybe a one-time fee. Or you got something where you can join for free, but you still got to purchase products just in order to make an income. So you got to find something that's going to correlate with you, that's going to basically be like, okay, this is me right here. This is me. So I got to do this. Because there's so many people that join opportunities in these companies and stuff. And guess what? Don't do nothing. Don't do nothing. Because guess what? 5 minutes later, they done join something else. Yes, it tends to happen. It's like, okay, you then on top of that, especially like say for instance, at the beginning of the month you join something, then come February, you join something else. You ain't even gave it 90 days for the first thing that you basically joined. Because guess what? Somebody's telling you, oh, hey, you can make whoop de whoop whoop de whoop 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 type of money, right? So you gonna jump in it. It's like, oh my goodness, you can make $1,000 in a week. That's not the case for everybody. You can make 5,000 in a week. That's not the case for everybody. Okay. Okay. It's possible. Absolutely, it's possible. Like I said that in the previous podcast, it's possible. But that's not the case for everybody. We can't be giving out false hope. I said that in the previous podcast. We cannot be giving out false hope. Because if you want to get to a certain level, no, you don't need a whole bunch of followers. Some people got 1,000 followers plus or what have you, and still being able to find like people that are not following them buying from them. You see what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, yes, you got to provide so much value and things like that on your social media. So many free tips and this and that and so on and so forth. Yes, it worked. Yes, it may not work. You got to figure out what's working and what's not working, because you can provide so much value, but that don't mean that they may buy from you. You can provide all the free tips you want that people don't even know about. And then you can let them know that, hey, if you want more lucrative help, or you, not lucrative help, but if you want more help or want to go into more in depth about certain things, boom, get this course, get this ebook. Will they do it? Who knows? You never know. It's people that say, well, hey, people will say, well, I made $10,000 in 2 weeks, and people are definitely trying to put you on game. Yes, people are, but that doesn't mean that they're going to do it, because guess what? we basically flash that, hey, you can make said amount of money in so many days and so many weeks and so many months, and they're going to jump on it and say, hey, this is $25, this is $30, this is $40, go ahead and grab it. But what's going to happen? They're going to grab it and they're going to sit there. They're going to sit on it. They're going to be like, oh, I got it. But to them, it's like, what do I do next? Like I said, some people need that one-on-one help. Some people need that guidance. Some people need that extra push. Some people just need those extra things. They really and truly do. I designed something, I put together something with people like you and I, or just people in general, beginners who truly need that help on learning, like, oh my God, I did not know that, or oh my goodness, is that how that truly actually works? Or just basically getting that guidance and getting that help. I'm the person that help. Can't nobody say to anybody that I don't help, that I don't support, that I don't do none of that. When I do, so you gotta find something that you truly love. Like building a course, and like it takes time. It could take you about 2 to 3 days to build a course, depending on what you're putting in it for the time being, because you can always add stuff to the course no matter what. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So I'm just letting you guys know, you got to find your passion. You got to find something that you truly enjoy doing, truly going to basically love doing, so on and so forth. Other than that, it's like, what are you doing hopping from here to here to here? And then, like I said, some people do get stuck. Some people need that guidance. Some people don't even know where to start because they're new at it and different things like that. So people just honestly need that guidance. And sometimes if they're not getting the help that they feel that they need, or basically getting pointed into the right direction, guess what they're going to do? They're going to stop. They're going to stop. But I'm here to let you know that if you start something, don't stop. Don't give up. Don't do any of that. Reach out to somebody for some help. Do not be afraid to ask for help. Stop letting your ego get in the way of asking for help, especially if you get stuck on something. Yes, we are all in this online marketing space in order to build connections, build real, authentic connections, and be able to make an income as well. Because guess what? I know it's possible to make that income. Whether you're selling on Amazon, whether you're building your online presence on social media, and you have now been monetized and stuff like that, yes, we're all trying to make that income. Find your passion, find something you love, and stick with it. Reach out to people for help. Reach out to the person that you joined, or reach out to the person that you bought something from and ask for help. Okay? So that was the podcast here. Find your passion. Make sure that you check the description below on Spotify. Check the description below on YouTube. Definitely like the video on YouTube. Of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Spotify. This, that, and the other. If you want to, it's definitely up to you. It's always up to you, no matter what. But if you are someone that have been looking for the help and the guidance, you are someone that want to truly, honestly learn about drop shipping a little bit more, learn about print on demand, learn how to build your own Etsy store, basically learn how to set up your beacons, basically, what else I got in there? I got a couple things. I got about a little over 13 lessons in there, no, about 6 modules. Yeah. It's crazy how you build your own stuff and you like, oh my God, what do I have in it? You know? So yeah, absolutely. So definitely check that out. The link will be below my website and everything. I'm here to help. I want to see you win. Yes, I want to see you win. All right, have a blessed day. Definitely stay tuned for another episode as well. The Truth Matters podcast. Talk to you later.